guys, the Coffee Connoisseur here with my little brother Matthew. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making cold brew in the French press. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So you guys are going to need 4 things. You're going to need your French press, obviously. A grinder that I've used in the past videos. You're going to need 2 cups of coffee, any roast that you prefer. And I measured out 3 cups of water in this mason jar. Step 1, grind your beans. There we are, guys. Nice coarse grounds. Always remember to clean your grinder. Don't forget that. Very important.
I'm cleaning it.
Okay. You're cleaning it. Step number 2. Get your water and pour it in a circular motion over the grounds. So yeah, I measured that's 3 cups of water in there. And what I like to do, if you don't get all of your grounds wet, you can just pat it down. Don't mix it, but just pat it down into there so that the grounds get all wet. Perfect. Step number 3. Gonna put the lid on top. Don't press it down. This is probably the hardest part of the whole process, is waiting 12 hours for it to brew and extract all that good coffee content and caffeine, and then it'll be ready for tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It has been about 12 hours. It's actually the morning. I've not had my coffee yet, so I apologize for not being as energetic, but this is going to be my coffee today. So I have my cup. Step number 4, and you're just gonna wanna press it down very slowly. I'm super excited about this. Love my coffee. Alright guys, so I'm going to give this cold brew a try. Wow, that is delicious. Perfect ratio of coffee to water, not too bitter, a little sweet taste in there. Great coffee too, love the coffee. Get it at Costco, I'll link it down below. But yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you taking your time out of your day to go and watch this video. If you're looking again for that second use for your French press, or if it's just been laying around, been waiting to be used, it's the perfect solution. So I hope you enjoy your coffee. I hope you have a great day. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.